Hi, I'm Bob Musano, an application engineer for Siemens Clamp-On. And today I'm going to talk about how to set up an interface for a liquid table. So once you've set up a hydrocarbon meter and have set up the liquid table, you can set up the outputs so that it's possible to see the cuts between the different products. So you'll want to go into the menu, go to Setup, and find Inputs and Outputs. Now, depending on how your meter is configured, you will have different outputs available to you. The best way to recognize an interface between products is by either outputting a base API or a liquid end. Now, a liquid end is the sound speed of the liquid, which has been corrected to 60 degrees. And we'll choose channel 2 output for this meter configuration. This is active operation supported, which means the meter is supplying the power source. Loop current scale 4 to 20 milliamp US. And I can use either liquid end or standard API gravity. I will go with standard API gravity. So the range of API for this particular pipeline, including every product type, is 10 to 90. I will enter that in, and now 4 milliamps will equal 10 API base or standard, and 20 milliamps will represent 90 API standard. So now we'll be able to identify the different cuts of products or interfaces as the different APIs are represented on the 4 to 20 milliamp scale. So now this meter has been set up to detect interfaces for API gravity. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And if you have any other questions, please contact us at technical support.